Hello, welcome back to UGC NET exam prep. In the previous lecture, we have completed the two of the brand equity models. We have done the Acre model, and we have even completed the BAV model. Then we have done the Keller's model. In this lecture, we are going to look at the BAV model and through the power grid method. Now, what is this? Let us look at that one by one. Right, so this is the whole power grid. Now let us look this one by one. What does this signify? The BAV model, that is a brand asset valuator model, organizes all these components into a power grid that shows where actually a brand stands in its development phase. Like what is there, how much knowledge the consumers have regarding the brand, how much product differentiation the producers can offer to the consumers. All this is being studied under the BAV model and through this power grid method. So the model divides the brand into four of the quadrants based upon the two axes, that is the x and the y axis. So first of all, we are going to look at the leadership. This shows that there is high brand strength, there is a lot of strength, and there is high brand stature. So both the things is higher at the very right end. There is high brand strength as well as brand stature. So brand under this quadrant are the market leaders, which have a very highly differentiated presence in the marketplace. They make products that are very much unique in the market space. None of the competitors can compete with such sort of leaders in the market space, and the products which are being made, they are very much relevant according to the consumers needs and preference, as well as they hold a lot of respect and broader customer knowledge. For example, we can say Apple and the Nike products. So they have a very strong presence in the market. The Nike consumers think that they belong to a community of the athletes. They feel motivated, confident after wearing the Nike products. Likewise, a consumer of the Apple products, they feel very much prestige by holding the premium quality of the Apple products. So the products of such brands hold a very unique identity, and they are highly respected and recognized in the market space. Right, now the next is niche and unrealized potential. So here there is high brand strength. The brand strength is a lot higher over here, but there is low brand stature. The potential of the brand is not yet realized. So brands over here are highly potential. There is a lot of caliber. All the brands which come under this category, they have a lot of caliber because they have differentiated themselves well in the marketplace, but they may not yet be widely recognized, or there is unrealized potential of these brands in the marketplace. For example, the new innovative tech startups that have created a unique product in the market, but they are not yet widely known because there might not be a lot of advertisement, because there are new startups which are being formed day by day. So because of that, the potential is yet to be realized. Like some niche category, they might be holding some niche category like electric vehicle companies, but the potential is yet to be explored. A lot of potential is there, but it is yet to be explored. Right, now the next is eroding. Now what is this? There is low brand strength and there is high brand stature. So these brands were once very much strong in the market, but they are losing their relevance and they are not being able to make differentiated product that very well. While they are still well known in the market space, their market positioning is gradually declining day by day. For example, Kodak. So Kodak, which has high customer recognition, in the earlier days, Kodak used to hold a lot of market share, because each and every person whoever want to take a picture, they used to purchase the Kodak cameras. So there was high customer recognition and esteem, but they failed to keep up with the digital innovation, which is evolving day by day, leading to gradual brand erosion, because they were not capable to make themselves innovative along with the market space, which is very necessary. If a brand wants to survive in a market space, they have to compete with the other competitors, then they have to be trendy in the market space, otherwise they have to leave the market and go. Now the last over here is declining. So there is low brand strength and there is even lower brand stature. So these brands are weak in terms of both future potential and the current market status. They lack differentiation in the market space and they are not highly respected, or they are not highly known. For example, the struggling retail chains that have lost both the consumers, because new consumers are not coming for purchasing the products in their retail shops. So because of that, they are going away from the market space. There is not a lot of relevance for them to stay in the market, and there is not that much recognition which they have to gain for staying, for surviving in the market space, like the Blockbuster. So once upon a time, in the past years, we can say that Blockbuster was a great hit at that time, but because they were not able to innovate themselves at the changing pace in the market, because of that they have to leave the market space, and because of that they went out of the market space. So the overall flow of the arrows shows that how the brands can evolve over the period of time. They can go from being new and unfocused to eroding, or they can move towards leadership through strategic growth and through strategic differentiation in the market space. Right, so this was all about the brand asset valuator model through the power grid method. Right, now let us look at one of the MCQs of this. So in the brand asset valuator model, that is a power grid, which quadrant represents brands that have high differentiation and relevance in the marketplace, but they are not yet widely recognized, or they are not much widely recognized or esteemed. So the options over here is leadership, niche and unrealized potential, eroding, and then declining. So the right answer will be niche and unrealized potential. Right, because in the highly differentiated and relevance market, and even the knowledge over here is great, that position is the leadership position. And in the niche and unrealized potential is that there is higher differentiation of product, but there is low esteem and low knowledge. So there is high differentiation and relevance but are not yet widely recognized or esteemed. So our right answer will be niche and unrealized potential. right? So this was all about today's lecture. If you are having any sort of queries, you can comment that down, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want such sort of videos for the future period of time. It even gives me motivation to make such sort of videos. So once again, thank you and take care, and bye bye.